Hello guys, so today we are discussing Aire. So this company is in the real estate sector and this one had some nice moves a few months ago. Obviously when Open ran it had a bit of a sympathy play to it. Um, so the stock recently had earnings about 2 weeks ago which showed some great results. Obviously they had 326% year-on-year revenue growth, which is largely driven by their mortgage brokerage deals and obviously their AI services, which is great to see and showing strong signs of growth. Obviously, in quarter one earlier this year, the company also had 4,432% year-on-year revenue increase. So for the company, this is huge and they're expanding and that strong growth is great to see. The company also a few days ago were granted a 180-day extension by Nasdaq to regain compliance with minimum bid price requirements. So the fear of reverse split in the short term has been reduced now which is obviously bullish and should give the stock some momentum now going forward. Obviously, some key things I'm looking out for AIRE are its execution with like its AI tools. So the company did recently reveal its AI-powered engagement assistant showed some good results in the pilot scheme. So the lead engagement was up 90%, the appointed conversion was up 200%, and the completed applications was up 140%, which is great to see. So another thing I'm looking at is the company's outstanding shares and float. So the company currently has 128 million outstanding shares and a float of 93 million. So it's not really a low float, but it's not that huge. The company currently has 16 months of cash, a 2.9 million cash burn. So in the short term, they should be all right. Now moving on to the short interest. Now the stock does have a short interest of 8%, so it's nearing that higher side. So it's definitely got some potential, this stock, for a squeeze. So we're moving on to the chart now. I really like the chart setup for this stock. It definitely has a lot of potential. I'm looking for a trend reversal, and the stock does have some warrants sitting at 0.75, so that can be a target to hit. Obviously, you can see on the chart here the stock loves to accumulate in this 0.40 range, and I've drew a trend line here and you can see the stock has formed a triple bottom. As you can see, it's hit 0.41 times, so you can see here this stock has got some strong support in this low 40s area, which is where accumulation tends to take place for this stock. So what I do want to see is this stock recently reclaimed its 9-day moving average. I want to see it close over that 50-day moving average. I want to see it break this trend line here. These two, they need to close over that for confirmation of a trend reversal. Obviously, the stock did also recently see a MACD crossover a few days ago, and you can see here the selling pressure is easing. So the stock definitely has a lot of room to run with the RSI low as well. So these are a few things I'm looking out for. This key break here of 0.60. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.